Hey guys, I just got my Mel A704 RAM EMT SDD. I just got it from Gary Golko yesterday. I paid $15 shipping. I was supposed to deliver yesterday, but UPS I wouldn't go down my driveway, and apparently I found out it's against UPS policy. Put your package in mailbox. You know, they've done that before. So I had to drive all the way down Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, which is like a 30-mile drive. It was way further than I thought it was, so I finally got it here. So I'm going to open it up. And of course, there's a packaging slip. Here's your carrier case. They still supply, which they have been since I've been buying them. And I'll explain what this is later, once I get to the Mel Meter. Alright, get this out here. Alright, here it is. The Mel brand EMT with shadow detection device. I don't know if it comes with batteries. It probably does, if I remember correctly. By the way, they come in black now. Before, they were white only. Now they're black, which is awesome. Right here, this is a... I don't remember if this is... No, wait, yeah. This is a laser grid that shoots out right here. And that's the shadow detect device right there in the corner. I think it comes... batteries built in. Yeah, it does. Okay. And I just realized they don't come with temperature probe. Or does it? They really not come with temperature probe anymore? Ah, here it is. Okay. So here is your antenna for your REM function. It's a lot shorter compared to my old one. Right here is your RAM. RAM? Oh. Of course, the battery's almost dead, that's why. So, let's ship me with the battery. How about that? Alright guys, I'm back. Yes, they did set me a dead Duracell with it. So, it's not this one. This is meant for these guys. Okay, so... got this back function here. For your RAM, ATDD. ATD stands for Ambient Temperature Detection Device. Your SDDD, your shadow detection device, and your laser. Laser is basically just your grid, see? I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, you guys can see it, okay. That's what it's for. It's meant to put on the wall. So that's coming out there. You got these sides. See, if you're looking for a Mel Meter, I suggest you guys get this one. So turn the REM function on, hit the button. It's on. And you can adjust the EMT range by hitting the side. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What it does, extends the range of it. Now I'll turn this thing off. Turn ATDD. Which didn't do nothing, so. Yeah, turn it to just hit these buttons and. Sorry guys, I never read the manual on this, so. Okay, apparently you gotta hold it down. So this is a shadow detection device, which I'll show you later in an after video. And show you, this is the Mel Ram from 2002, which is discontinued. You can see, like, basically a size difference. The antenna is much longer. Okay, now for these are for your shadow detection device. The big bulb is right here compared to this little one. This one's meant for small rooms. This one's meant for big rooms. Like big rooms like long hallways or whatever. So what we do is put the battery in it and it should light right up. I kinda wish they had a switch in here, so I can turn it on and off. And supposedly it puts it come with reflective strips, so you can use a Mel Meter light to bounce off back at the shadow detection device. There we go. Yeah, see? So pretty much to turn on and off you gotta pull the battery out, unfortunately. There's like no switch, which is the downside of it. Well guys, now I'm going to make a few showing you how the shadow detection device works. Okay guys, I figured out how to get the ATDD work. You gotta have the REM function on as well. I'm going to show you how the shadow detection works. You gotta get the light and shut the Mel Meter. And I got my vaping device in my hand. I'll show you how it works. It should work. See? That's how the shadow detection works. And of course, you can also change the sensitivity of the Mel Meter for a shadow detection device. Well guys, this is a video of how to show you the unboxing of the Mel Meter. Guys, if you're into Paranormal, I really suggest you getting this one because it does like all the bells and whistles and stuff. Once again, to use ATD, your REM function has to be turned on as well for it to work. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Peace out.